In the bustling corridors of global commerce, mastering business English isn't just an advantage, it's essential. Whether you're drafting a crucial report, leading a high-stakes negotiation, or innovating with marketing strategies, the precision and clarity of your language can make or break your professional success. In a world where business transcends borders, being adept in business English is akin to holding a key to the world's economic engine. Imagine sitting at a negotiation table, armed not just with figures and facts, but with the linguistic prowess to sway discussions favorably. Business communication is the backbone of every company's operations. It dictates how effectively information flows within and outside the organization. Let's dive into the nuances of emails, reports, and meetings. Emails. The modern business landscape thrives on emails. A well-structured email starts with a clear subject line, which hooks the reader. The greeting sets the tone, formal or semi-formal, depending on the recipient. The body conveys the message concisely, and the closing line reinforces the email's purpose, ending with a professional signature. Reports. Business reports vary: informational, analytical, or persuasive. Each has a distinct structure, but generally includes an executive summary, introduction, and detailed body, supported by visual data like charts or graphs. The language is formal, passive, and meticulously crafted to present data objectively. Meetings. Whether it's a boardroom showdown or an informal team huddle, every meeting needs a clear agenda. Roles are defined: a chairperson to lead, a note-taker to document, and a timekeeper to manage the flow. Language used ranges from directive to suggestive, facilitating a structured yet dynamic discussion. Negotiation is an art refined by preparation and practice. It is about understanding not only your needs, but also those of the person across the table. Preparation. Research is vital. Know the other party's background, their strengths and weaknesses. Set clear objectives for what you must and want to achieve. Strategy forms the blueprint of your negotiation tactics, with scenarios planned for different responses. Language. The negotiation starts with a tone-setting opening statement. Proposals are clear, and counter-proposals are ready. Persuasive language emphasizes benefits and compromises, building towards a consensus. Closing. Summarize the agreed terms to avoid misunderstandings. Set the next steps, ensuring both parties know what's expected moving forward. Effective closings turn agreements into action. Marketing and sales are the engines of business growth. Understanding and using the right terminology can significantly enhance these efforts. From target market to value proposition, each term carries weight. Understanding these allows professionals to craft strategies that resonate with the intended audience, maximizing impact. Terms like lead, conversion rate, and sales funnel are pivotal. They help in measuring effectiveness and strategizing sales approaches, from cold calls to closing deals. Financial literacy in business English is crucial for discussing company health and making informed decisions. Terms like balance sheet, ROI, and cash flow are fundamental. They help in navigating the financial landscapes of business. In financial discussions, clarity and accuracy are paramount. Whether it's in reports or live presentations, the language used must convey complex information in an understandable form. Customer service is the front line of your business's reputation. Effective communication here can lead to high customer satisfaction and loyalty. Skills like active listening, empathy, and clarity are essential. They ensure that the customer feels valued and understood, paving the way for effective problem resolution. Phrases like, "How may I assist you?" or "Let me resolve this for you," demonstrate a proactive approach to customer service. Follow-up communications reinforce the business's commitment to customer satisfaction. In conclusion, mastering business English across these areas not only enhances individual careers, but also propels businesses towards greater success. As global commerce evolves, so does the language that drives it. Embrace these insights and tools to hone your business English skills, ensuring you remain not just competitive, but a step ahead in the business world.